Hey One Talks, this is a video of a trip to Rakili beach at Babaka Village in Hula. This is a compilation of clips from the GoPro. And thanks to Bata Jukes, Potts, Judah, and Slutty for coming, and I hope you enjoy this.
It's a nice Saturday morning and everyone is up by dawn. There is excitement in the air and everyone is set to go. We load up the truck and make sure everything is latched on. Then we do a check just to make sure everything is set to go. We are on the road to Rakili to enjoy the sun and surf. A day out with the family, a day to remember. We stop by at one stop, get some supplies for the road. Load up on a little bit of extra fuel just in case we need it. A short stop at Gera before we head for another area code. Turn the corner at Sabuya and tell the driver to floor it. We are on the road to Rakili to enjoy the sun and surf. A day out with the family, a day to remember. And then we turn another corner and we are at Manugo. It's not long before we arrive at the Hula junction. We stretch our legs at the market, then pass through Guinea Golo. Soon we pass Gunuhao and amp up the velocity function. We are on the road to Rakili to enjoy the sun and surf. A day out with the family, a day to remember. A couple bends ahead and we roll into Kemabolo. Just a few more corners left before Rakili says hello. Down past the Calo, turn off where the palm trees grow. One last curve ahead and Rakili starts to glow. We are on the road to Rakili to enjoy the sun and surf. A day out with the family, a day to remember. Feel the breeze, feel the breeze. Shining blue, together. Rakili, we're coming soon. Feel the wind upon our faces, see the ocean shining blue. Every mile we take embraces, all the joy of me and you. Family laughter in the sunlight, hearts are beating in one tune on this coastal road together. Rakili, we're coming soon. We're on the road to Rakili. Yeah, the sun and surf are calling me family, sweet harmony. A day to remember. We're on the road to Rakili. Good vibes everywhere we turn. Family, sweet harmony. A day we'll always treasure. We are on the road to Rakili to enjoy the sun and surf. A day out with the family, a day to remember.
Ralema mupakuna irena ave aole arimu. Ula mari ilarae alaramu remuaya alagirawai. Na oira apoma ura mari warena oma varevo kuna.